Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the Union Jack flag. So let's start with, I'm going to actually start with a pencil. I usually draw in pen, but we are going to do the shape of our flag first. So we're going to do a rectangle. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do now after our rectangle is we are going to draw a cross here. So we can draw a line coming down here, one coming down here, and then we can flip our page and do one coming down this way. So I'm going to take my eraser and erase these lines here in the middle. So now we've got our cross here in the middle. So the next thing I'm going to do another cross. I'm just kind of going to outline what we just made. So a line down here, line over here, this way, down here, and same on the other two sides. So now we kind of have two crosses, like one on top of the other. So next thing we're going to do, I'm going to do a line right here, and another one right here. Over on this side, we're going to do the same. A line right here, and one right here. And now this way, we're going to do a line here, one here, and on this side, one there, and one there. So now we can take our eraser again and erase this line and this line and these two. So now the next thing we're going to do, we are going to put a line coming down this way and coming on up, slanting downward, and right here. And over here, we're going to draw a line coming up, and down a bit, and right here, and across here. Now we're going to do a line right here, coming on down, slanting downward here, down a bit right there, and another one right there. And on this side, we can do one right here, bring that down, bring this line down, and come on up. Now I'm going to take my pen and I'm going to go over my pencil lines. Alright, now I've got all my pencil lines covered over with my pen. I'm going to erase all those pencil lines that you can still see. So now I'm going to get started with the coloring, and the only colors you need are a red and a dark blue. All right, everyone, we are finished our Union Jack, our flag for the United Kingdom. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for whatever we draw next. All right, everyone, goodbye.